Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. Which the site claimed was accurate as of March 1 at UTC 2355. The CryptoPunk NFT worth some United States $200,000 had also been donated and was now in the Ukrainian government's Ethereum wallet. Data from Slowmist, meanwhile, appear to show that combined Ukrainian government and NGO donations in crypto were actually closer to the United States $51 million mark. A number of the NGOs and associated charities accept donations in other altcoins. A further 0.2 million worth of DOT has also been contributed, per the data compilers, in addition to a single BTC donation worth United States $3 meters. This comes on top of a United States $10 meters donation from the crypto exchange Binance, as well as a donation from the FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. But it is not just centralized crypto exchanges and their founders who are getting in on the act. One of the most popular decentralized exchanges in the crypto world, Uniswap, announced that it had created an interface that allows crypto users to convert all their 20 tokens to ETH and donate them to the Ukrainian government in a single transaction. The conflict appears to have escalated, with Russian forces claiming on March 2 to have captured the southern port city of Kherson. Airborne soldiers are also reported to have been deployed to Kharkiv, with a large convoy of military vehicles reportedly still posted outside the capital Kyiv. The past 3 months, the Gala sellers have been very responsive during the downtrend rallies, allowing short sellers to enter new positions. The recent bear cycle dumped the altcoin to the 21 cents mark, displaying a 45% loss from the February HIGH $0.362. The buyers bounced back from this support with a morning star candle, but failed to surpass the flipped resistance of the $0.277 mark. Despite a sluggish price action, the Gala price gave a bullish breakout from the descending trendline on March 19, providing the first signal to recovery, and $0.178. So next important news about Mana price teases wedge pattern breakout is 28 cents next. On Wednesday, the DECENTRALAND Mana price turned green, displaying a 3.66% intraday. The bullish candle retests the resistance trendline of the falling wedge pattern, attempting a bullish breakout. However, the buyers would face multiple resistance on its path, trying to limit the potential rally. Price indicators declining 20 days supporting a price rise either at press time. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and MACD were bearish, neutral and neutral, respectively. The white dots of the parabolic SAR were also in line with the candlesticks with the potential to flip their position and sit above them. However, since that hasn't happened yet, Gala has time before any correction occurs. Since the altcoin is facing consolidation along with the rest of the market, investors too do not see this as an opportunity to be active right now. When the crypto was on a rally around 7 February, Gala holders present spiked by 285%. Alas, as soon as it went away, these investors went back to being inactive as well. Price is poised to break out of the wedge formation. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $477 million, indicating an 82.5% gain. The DECENTRALAND Mana price showcased a slow and steady downfall within the falling wedge pattern. The correction phase started from the $3.5 level and has discounted the altcoin by 37%, hitting the $2.2 support. This reversal pattern could kickstart a recovery rally once the price gives a genuine breakout from the overhead resistance. As price action narrows inside the wedge, we are likely to see a breakout soon. However, the technical chart shows the buyers need to overcome a confluence of resistance levels, such as the descending trendline, 20 and 200 EMA. If they succeed, the bullish rally will hit a 22% high resistance of $2.88, followed by the $3.5. The coin holders are exposed to a bearish breakdown until the pattern is intact, indicating a 22% downside risk. Technical indicator: the Mana price has recently nosedived below the 200-day EMA, indicating a bearish tendency. Moreover, a potential negative crossover among the 20 and 200 EMA could bolster a bearish fallout. The relative strength index slope travels a sluggish rally below the neutral zone, maintaining negative sentiment among traders. Resistance level: $2.5 and $2.88 support level: $2.22 and $1.7. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala, the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.